Building a fashion brand requires time and effort, and if you are a fashion brand founder or you're looking to work with a fashion brand, this video is for you. I will demystify the influencer marketing for fashion brands and how old tactics don't work anymore. If you think about involving influencers in your brand building process, this video is definitely for you. Let's dive in. Influencer marketing was a very good marketing tactic, let's say 5 years ago, for fashion brands. Brands contact different influencers and place their products versus a one-shot payment for the post. Influencer marketing was born as an alternative to expensive ads per click or SEO blogging. Many digital brands that we know today use these marketing tactics for growth. The more we see influencers wearing your brand products, the more people engage with the brand and buy. So basically, for this strategy to work, you need to come up with lots of Instagram accounts with good following to show your product. And when people discover your brand from those people, they will follow you and buy from you. In order to make this marketing tactic work, you need lots of budget to pay influencers and make it consistently. Also, have a dedicated person to manage it. So I would say it's not the most optimum way for growth for a small brand owner, simply because it became expensive and almost useless, because influencers' posts, for the most of them, stay on their accounts and do not go viral. In order to succeed on Instagram today, you need to be smarter and create better content. That means that you don't need influencers and you need digital creators to make your content viral. What is the difference between an influencer and digital creator? Well, an influencer has an audience and a lifestyle account. They will try to influence their audience to like your account. Usually what happens is people get used to the nice pictures, lifestyle reels, and they see it almost every day. So they don't react enough to click and see who has done this dress or these pants. Do you see what I mean? Our eyes, once get used to this particular style of pictures, don't react to the product anymore. They just like it because it's a nice picture. So most of the people will not take any action after they've seen a picture or a reel with your influencer. They will comment and like the post, but will not do any action, will not follow you or buy from you, unless the influencer asks that gesture from their audience. But what they usually don't do, because they just post and mention the brand and they don't put any CTA, call to action. So instead, to make your content appealing and become viral, I recommend working with content creators who know how to make reels, hooks, and engage with the content. We usually call it UGC, or content created by users, or user-generated content. Thanks to their work, you can extend your reach and make your Instagram account visible to the relevant audience, and they will follow you because your content speaks directly to them. This strategy will work better because Instagram is hungry for the best content and constantly looking for it. It determines which one is performing the best, gets most of the attention at this moment, and tries to attract every relevant segment's attention to this post. So this is how the content becomes viral and your following base will grow consistently. Besides, you don't depend on any other people's time and style, and you depend on yourself and people who can create this content for you. You can have several of them and work with each of them consistently. Will you pay them? Yes, definitely, but much less as any influencer, and you will get better content and the content that goes viral. This type of marketing gets a better return on investment in the long run as well, because every content that you have, you can reuse it and you can republish it few months later, and this is how you can make, again, more followers. Every good content should be recycled every time to optimize your time and to have better results. Besides, we have completely new trend today, which is a de-influencer era, where people make content to explain why people should stop buying products from brands. Those types of videos help people to stay connected to what is essential and stop spending money on every single shiny product. The best way to respond to this trend would be to show your audience how they can stop buying fast fashion brands, for instance, and start building a more meaningful wardrobe. Using this trend, you can create better content and connect better with your audience, and it becomes more valuable for them because they see how you see the world and you are honest with them. If you don't know where to start, think about people who you know, and if you have friends who know how to create content, ask them for help and just to help you make some content for free, just to see what works on your Instagram before you pay any account or any content creator for that. You need to understand there is no perfect feed on Instagram today. There is only you being honest and authentic with your audience. Also, if you want to go further, I advise you to consult our Instagram workbook that you can find in our free group New Fashion School, where we will give you a step-by-step process on how to build a viral daily content using different formats that the algorithm appreciates. Using what works today will help you to create content that is more relevant to your audience and to become more visible to them. And remember, you are the creator of your life and your brand, and it's normal to become the voice of your brand as well. So to help you stand out from the crowd and to attract the right audience, you need to show up. And I encourage you to consult our workbook to know exactly what kind of content should you publish on a daily basis. You can access it, just request the membership, reply some questions that we ask, and then you'll be part of the group, which is completely free, and you can have this workbook available for you. And if you want to learn more about how Instagram works in 2023, please watch my next video. I put the link below how you can recharge your Instagram account in 2023. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel if you want to have more videos like this. I will find you in the next video. Bye!